Paul McCartney's surprise appearance at Sunday's premiere of the Beatles '64 documentary at New York City's Hudson Square Theater stunned fans. Seated in the center of the room, the singer seemed at ease as he took a seat next to his 65-year-old wife, Nancy Shevell, and behind comedian Chris Rock. Famous director Martin Scorsese produced the new film, and Paul waved to a few of admirers as he calmly watched it with the rest of the audience. Although most of the audience saw Paul as they were settling into their seats, the news of his appearance was revealed just before the film began. Writing, "Trying to watch the new Beatles documentary, and he shows up," the fan expressed her overwhelming joy at Paul's visit. "And if I said I cried during the first 10 minutes," she captioned the photo. Many of his admirers were shocked to hear that he had sneaked into the theater and expressed their shock in the comments section. They wrote, "Consider this. You're sitting next to Paul McCartney as you watch the Beatles documentary. No matter how famous or wealthy a person is, ONEFG, everyone is breathing the same air. Everyone else seems little as soon as Paul enters the room. If I could meet Paul McCartney in person, I would die happy." They made jokes about how he presumably murmured, "I know them," to his seatmate while pointing to John, Ringo, and George, or how he was there to verify something. Earlier in the evening, the celebrity stepped out on the red carpet with his wife, wearing a jacket that had a combination of gray tweed and light-wash denim accents at the cuffs, collar, and center. Arriving at the premiere in a light blue button-down, dark wash trousers, and black suede shoes, he exuded an air of casual style. Nancy, who had a long lace cardigan and an all-black ensemble, complimented him. Meanwhile, Scorsese sported a sharp suit, button-down shirt, and tie, a striking combination of navy and scarlet that he matched. Wearing a frock that featured the legendary Abbey Road album cover by the Beatles, she rocked a button-down top. Sheer stockings and knee-high black boots were the finishing touches to the actress's ensemble.